So hey ninjas, today we are going to create low poly tree in Blender. First, add a plane and subdivide it. Extrude it and adjust it like this. Create more branches like this. When you are satisfied with the shape of tree then, add leaf texture using image as a plane. Then subdivide this texture multiple times and press O, and give some variation like this. Select the tree and go to edit mode. Press W and select only edges of every branch. Then go here and add new vertex group. In weight paint, you can see weights here like this. Let's come to particle settings. Go render and change this to object and select our object. Go to vertex group and select density, then select group. Change the rotation and add some randomness to it. Also, play with scale and add some variation too. Now here you have your tree ready. Select our tree and add translucent node and connect it like this, so shadow can pass through our leaves. This is how you guys can create tree in Blender. Thanks for watching ninjas. Keep improving.